Hello everyone! Welcome back to Lean Art and Design. And for those new to my channel, please don't forget to click like and subscribe my channel for more paintings. So the reason I made this video because I want to show all my little tiny paintings. I've been making mini paintings, and thank you so much guys for all my friends that support my channel all the time. International, thank you so much. I am so happy that you guys are supporting my channel. I hope you don't get tired of supporting me. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. So today, I'm going to show little paintings, my mini paintings. I've been painting mini canvases lately. So, for those new or want to learn how to paint, this is my materials that I use. So I use this knife. I use knife sometimes. And you can buy brushes. You know, you can buy everything in Amazon now. So just go to Amazon and get some of your supplies. So I use acrylic. If you're a beginner, please use acrylic for beginning. It's very easy to use. And then of course I have canvas, which is I got this from Amazon too, the little canvas. All right, that's the basic. So these are the basic you will need for painting. Brushes. This one, you really, I started using this. One of my friend taught me how to use that, but it's an optional to use this, but I like it. I like using it when I'm making lines. It's easy. So yeah, acrylic and then canvas. So these are my little tiny painting. This is 4 by 4 inches. So you have easel and you just put it like that. See, and it's very nice for a gift. I usually give gift to my friends. The Yoo-hoo lady, woohoo lady. Lavender. The beach. Here's another one, which is the Philippine sunset. Philippine sunset with the coconut tree, and it's so cute, very cute. And I painted this Fuji mountain, the Japanese Fuji mountain, Mount Fuji. There you go, Mount Fuji. This is farm scenery, a farm. So cute. You guys need to start painting like that. There's another one. This is sunset. Very okay. The next is the whimsical tree. So I like to paint whimsical. So this is whimsical tree, which has different colors. Look at the rainbow colors of the tree. It's cute. This is another whimsical. It's a whimsical. Another starry, starry night whimsical. It's beautiful. And this is the, what do you call that? Northern Lights. Northern Lights. There's another Northern Lights. Starry, starry night. I like to paint trees. There's another sunset. I like I like painting landscape sunsets and trees. And I get a little hummingbird. Hummingbird is another whimsical evening. Whimsical evening with a little girl sitting, looking at the moon. This is another whimsical tree with the sun setting, already sets, and birds flying. It's so relaxing. So I made this for. So this is my latest painting. This is whimsical cow. And this is the ocean with the sea oats. And this is Charlotte skyline. And this is a really cute, whimsical bicycle with flowers. So cute. I painted this yesterday.